You will be impressed by the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Shiny and polished, this ring provides a satisfying feel while holding. It is so bright that you can see your own reflection in it. The gold finish looks regal and elegant, and its bright appearance lends "I'm the main character" energy. Samsung provides a complimentary sizing kit with purchase. The Galaxy Ring comes in 9 sizes: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You can buy by measuring your finger circumference in centimeters. The Samsung Galaxy Ring does not have a flat surface. It is concave, designed with a dip inward. It helps increase scratch resistance, made of titanium grade 5, known for durability, strength, and corrosion resistance. And I love that it's waterproof. Moreover, it is lightweight, which is ideal for jewelry. Personally, I didn't like the titanium black model, but it's ideal for those who prefer a minimal low shine. Galaxy Ring has countless sensors like heart rate monitor, infrared sensor, accelerometer, etc. It can track your sleep, physical activity, heart rate, menstrual cycle, steps, stress, medications, blood oxygen levels, and food and water intake. It sends alerts if your heart rate is too high or low and provides information about beats per minute through the live heart rate check feature. Energy Score is a Galaxy AI feature that generates your current health score based on your sleep habits and physical activity. The Wellness Tips feature provides suggestions and recommendations based on your health information. Just as one can use the Apple Watch to trigger the shutter button on their iPhone, you can take photos on a Galaxy phone with the Galaxy Ring. Also, it can use the Double Tap feature to shoot videos and snooze alarms. The Galaxy Ring offers a transparent ring box with a USB-C port for charging. It lasts 7 days on a single charge. The Samsung Galaxy Ring costs $399. Pre-orders start from July 10th. Don't forget to comment how you like today's latest review. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so now.